Joycelyn.
Of course.
In your case,
Of
facial.
course. Minimum use of colorful pens. We have seen some students use many colorful pens, but you have to use a single or more than two pens. You have to use because the two pens are enough for the writing your paper and presentation your paper.
You can use black ink pen or blue ink pen.
Generally
I-
blue pen, and if you want to highlight, if you want to
Something,
write
some
the
points.
quotation by black pen.
So minimum use of colorful
For
pens.
pens, just use two pens, black and blue.
Don't use too much colorful pens.
Of course. Remember, the quotation should be into double inverted commas. Look here, I have written this quotation. Both the side we have to leave the equal space, and we have to write the quotation. While writing this quotation, we have to keep equal space between and both the side, and we have to write the quotation in double inverted commas. For example, just look at this slide. The thing of beauty is a joy forever, according to John Keats.
There is the quotation by John Keats. You can see the quotation. And it is put down into inverted commas. Double inverted commas. The name of the work should be into single inverted commas. For example, Paradise Lost. It is written by John Milton. And the Paradise Lost is the work written by John Milton. So whenever you
Of course.
give the name of the book, you just put it into single inverted comma.
Because it is a textbook on which you are writing the answer of this of the question which is related this book.
Yeah.
Remember, don't skip the scoring areas like acquaintances, true false, fill in the blanks, and transcription. First of all, acquaintances. Acquaintances is very important question.
It is the topic
It is
from
a
which
topic.
we can
you
get
can
as
you can
much
score more
as
and more
much
marks
as
if
much.
you have got the right information, and you have got you have to take it on the net. And
definitely.
by using of the net, you can get the right work, the name of the work, and the right
can get the
the
precise-
year of the publication,
precise
right
year
name, right
publication
year
from the net.
Of course, you can get the
Precise
right information
information.
about any acquaintances. Of course, sometimes you can see that in the different books, you can see a single work. You can get the different
years.
the year of the publication, and at that time you are confused which date and which year of the publication is right.
But when you get it
So-
from the net, it is near to.
Of course, if possible, just
It is precise.
just try to take it on the net. If it is not possible, so use the of the book.
For acquaintances, according to us, you should use net
Of course.
if possible.
Hmm.
And these are the areas from for which you can get as much marks as you
Of course,
want.
this is the area.
So acquaintances, true, false, fill in the blanks, and
Of
transcription.
course, of course, transcription.
can
Transcription
get-
is the also scoring question,
Yeah.
because you can see these four question are very scoring questions. You can see that in question, if you write very right way, effectable, you can get 10
You
or 12
won't
marks.
get you won't get 10 out of 10 in
Of
long
course,
questions.
of course, because it
But
is
these are the questions
it is
from
a
which you
language.
can get
It is a
full
language.
marks.
Of course. And remember, read the questions very carefully, and then start writing the answer. Very important things. You have feel in the exam when we are hurry in confusion.
Generally in
without
exam-
reading the question properly, we just start the answer, and at the end of the write down at the end of the paper, or write down the whole answer, we realize we have written the wrong answer.
Hey Jayashree, what happened in exams? Generally, students get nervous. So in hurry, they just don't read the question properly, and they just start writing it because of the time and time management and all that things.
Because I have faced it in my exam.
Yeah.
So just point out, don't take it light, just take it, be careful, but be free.
Whenever you get the question paper, just read the question properly
Okay.
and then start to write it.
Your answer must have personal flair of yours. Hey Dilshad,
Yes, Jayashree.
from this point, a very dashing movie comes to my
Amir's
mind. The name
movie.
of the comes
Yeah,
to
yeah.
my mind.
Three Idiots.
Have
We
you
have
heard that
seen.
scene?
Yeah,
in
definitely.
the classroom, professor just time the Amir Khan just speak the definition of this
Machine.
machine.
Yeah.
Machine. And he presents
He
it
gives
in
the
his own
definition.
way,
Yeah.
his own way. But the professor neglect it.
Him.
But Amir Khan's way is right. Don't present the definition word by word, but if you present it in your own way,
It
it's
means we
creates-
should not stick to
Uh-huh.
only books and
Don't
books.
just mug up it.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah, exactly.
Of course. If you mug up it in any way, you can present it, because you can say in exam you have the prepared the question, but the very different question has been asked in the exam. At the time, these things will be helpful. If you have just read it step by step, and you have not understand it,
Don't just read all the things. Just try to
just
understand
try
all
to
the
understand
things.
means mug up.
Yeah. Try to understand all the things and then start writing.
Of course. Remember two important points: confidence, time management. Confidence. Confidence is the most important thing.
Without confidence, we can't do anything.
We can't do anything.
Okay,
exactly.
you know all the answers, but you don't have the confidence to attempt the answers. Then how can you
Of
present your
course.
answers?
If you lose confidence, you lose everything.
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah.
Jason.
I think do differently. It's very important.
Yeah,
But
but
Dilshad, a very beautiful and thoughtful quotation of Swami Vivekanand. Have you heard it?
no.
All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. If you believe in yourself, you do everything. At that time, you just remember it. You know everything. You can do everything. And the right papers with confidence, because it is the only one thing which is with you.
Hey, Jayshree,
Of course.
I also want to tell you a quotation.
What?
The confidence. I will give the definition of confidence.
Of
It
course,
is
ma'am.
said that confidence does not come when you know all the answers, but it comes when you are ready to face
Of
all the
course.
questions.
In exam,
So always
Of
be
course.
ready to face all the questions
In
in
exam,
exams.
you are in whatever position, but hold your confidence with it, and you can do anything. Without it, you cannot do anything.
When you just sit in examination hall, just prepare your mind that whatever may be asked in exam, you will be able to write down anything
Of
will be
course.
asked.
Just don't skip, but write on the paper, because without writing, you cannot get marks. If you have written anything, you can get the marks.
Marks.
But with confidence, don't fumble.
Yeah.
Is the most important things. And the main important things, time management. In colleges we have heard, I
Yeah.
have I have skipped the one question, two question, I have skipped the 20 marks. You know, time management is very important things. It is a
Generally what
very big
happens
thing.
Jayashree,
Of
कि
course.
students write down the first answer in a very beautiful way,
Very
in a
beautiful, of course, of
beautiful
course.
handwriting.
And when they reach at the end
At
of
the
the
end.
papers, Bob. Oh
they
my
just
God.
they just
Just you cannot
finish
just, of course,
the answer.
very bad handwriting at the end of the
At the-
papers. It's a
huh.
very important thing. So you have to maintain your handwriting throughout your papers.
Paper.
First of all, when you ask the question, you just look out how many questions have been asked,
Definitely.
and this question just divide in your times management according. And
According to time management.
but at the last 5 minutes, just skip, because in this 5 minutes you have to check your answer, and you have sometimes you have write the answer very proper way, but you
Leave the last
you
50
forget the you forget which answer you have attempt, you forget the write the number. So you have at the 3 hours, you have the 5 minutes, so you can just take out your all answer, and you can improve if you had done any mistake.
You can finish your paper and just leave last 15 minutes
Of course.
for the reading of the paper,
Mm.
as well as for the highlighting some important points, so that you can have
Mm.
your personal flair by highlighting the things also.
Of course. So remember it, confidence and time management. A
We-
very small thing, but it is a very big thing. Don't take it light. So
And
Dilshad,
we hope that
of course, and
you will follow our instructions.
instruction and take it in your mind, because we have passed
Just don't
it.
write
Mhm,
down,
mhm.
just take
Because
it in
we
your
have
mind.
all these things we have. So
And our wishes are with you. Best
all
of
the
luck for your
best,
exams.
and keep it your tempo. Best of luck, and our blessing with you.
Thank you very much. Best of luck.
Best of luck for it.